Welcome back. Now in this video we are going to go to this tab in your audience section called the Preferences section. And you're going to notice here that there is a Preferences Center that's already available. Now one of the things that you're going to want to note before we get started with this process, that is, if we go to get rid of or delete this Preferences Center, we will not be able to do it as of the recording of this video. Now this may be an improvement that MailChimp makes in the future. However, as of right now, when you create a Preferences Center, this is the one that you'll have to edit and use if you're going to use one at all. You're going to want to note three different things. You will not be able to use your Preferences Center if you have a GDPR enabled sign-up form. The other thing is that this Preferences Center will replace the update profile form that an individual will see when they seek to either update their profile or unsubscribe from your email messages. So what we're going to do right now is we're going to go into a different audience. What we're then going to do is go to our Preferences Center. You're then going to see a button that says Start Building. That's going to bring you to a customizable form. Now this area at the very top is a header. So when we click on top of it to customize, you're going to see the Replace button. And basically what you're going to be doing is you're going to be replacing that text with a specific image. So for example, if we click Replace, what's going to happen is that MailChimp is going to look inside of your Content Studio where you either have image files or files that you will use. Now you have available to you a space within MailChimp to keep your logo. So you can take this opportunity to click here and then upload your logo. And assuming this is your logo, you could use that logo there in that area. So if we clicked on this button, we clicked Insert, what you're going to see here is then that image will then become part of your updated Preferences Center. We can click on top of here again, click the Replace button. We can then use stock photos. We can then use this specific image. And you'll see then that this image will then be part of your updated Preferences Center. Now in order to change the wording that you see here on this page, what you can do here is you can click right on top of this text and you can add in text that you'll want the individual to see when they're updating their preferences. And once you've customized the form, you can then click Publish. You can then choose to use a specific MailChimp domain, or you can use a custom domain for your Preferences Center. Once you have determined that, you can then click Continue. Once you've done that, you can then click Publish. And your Preferences Center will then be published. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.